If you've got 30 US dollars, that is 499 rands for those of you in South Africa, shout out. If you've got this money to spend on earbuds, this is what I think you should actually do, because most people waste money in this price range, and I don't want you to become one of them. This isn't a review, it's a budget breakdown. And I'm going to show you where these actually sit so you can find out the smartest way to spend your money. Now let's be real. For around 30 US dollars, you're usually choosing between decent sound and features. Not both. Now most earbuds cut corners at this price point, you just don't notice it immediately. Now the interesting thing about the JLab's GoPods active noise cancelling is that they are trying to give you everything. You've got decent sound, you've got active noise cancelling, you've got the app support, and this is why they stand out in this price range. But here's what most people don't realize. You're not getting more, you're trading off. You've got active noise cancelling, but not the strongest. You've got great sound, but not the most detailed. And you'll get features, but your comfort level is a hit or miss. Now that is the real cost of going cheap. So when do these make sense? Number one, if you just want something affordable that does a bit of everything. Number two, if you just want to upgrade from really basic earbuds. And number three, if you just want something that's got features without paying a whole lot for it, then these are a solid choice. So when should you not buy these? If you need a strong battery, or if you care about a more refined sound, that's when these actually fall short. So at this price, you've got options like the Soundpeats Clear or the Tozo A1. Put a pin on that because we have not reviewed that on this channel. We will do that. Yeah, but these either don't have real active noise cancelling or they feel limited overall. That is when these win. Now, if you can spend just a little bit more, say 50 US dollars to 80 US dollars, you're looking at other options like the Soundcore Live P3 or the Earphone Pro 3. Now, these two I think we have reviewed on this channel. Just check out the playlist. But here is the important thing. It is not completely a new experience. It is just a refined version of this. Then when it comes to the premium stuff, you have something like the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Now that is a completely different level, but also a different price tag. Now these don't compete with that at all, but they get closer with everyday use. So here is how I will think about it. Option 1, buy these. Option 2, skip this entirely and go higher. But what you don't want to do is add a little bit of money thinking you're going to get a massive upgrade and then you end up disappointed. So should you buy these? I would say yes. If you want something that does a bit of everything, get these. And I would say no if you already know what you want and you want what you want. You know, for things like a better battery or more refined sound quality. And if you want a full breakdown of how these perform, go watch my full review. And if you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe to the channel. Because buying cheap does not necessarily mean buying smart. And buying smart does not necessarily have to be expensive. Get my drift? Like this video on your way out. And until next time, take care.